Phones have a display called HD, but nowadays there are many phones which have a display QHD. That Q represents quantum, and a chemical compound similar to that called quantum dot can be made by urea and citric acid. Now I will make it. For that I will measure 2 grams of urea and respectively 2 grams of citric acid. I have set a pipe clear triangle onto a clamp in which I will just put the crucible and add the 2 grams of urea and the citric acid, then mix well with the spatula. I will blast the whole thing with a blowtorch until the whole room reeks with the smell of ammonia, and hopefully some quantum dot is being made. Then I will scrape off the black product by adding water and scraping it using a glass rod. I will filter the whole thing using just gravity filtration. Then I have transferred it to a beaker for storage, and to show a simple demonstration I have set an flax below which there is UV light, and I have turned on the UV light and the lights are turned off. Now I will add the quantum dot to it. Whoa, you can see the beautiful fluorescence shown by the quantum dot. If you like this video, for more videos subscribe to this channel.